This was a problem on how to read box plots, and so you were asked to write paragraphs including these 4 points. The first point was which group is more expensive. Now remember down here we have price. And so the farther to the right you are, the more expensive your products are. So the top box, hard to find, and again, this is a yes. So this is the hard to find group. This is the not hard to find group. The hard to find group is more expensive than the not hard to find group for several reasons. Most of its prices are to the right, or in other words, more expensive than the not hard to find. And if you thought about the typical set is denoted by the median. And so this is where you see the median in the box plots. And you can clearly see that the median of the hard to find set is over $200, whereas the median for the easy to find set is less than $50. So those are reasons why we know this is more expensive. More variability, the wider the box, the more variability. So remember that each section of the box plot contains 25% of your data. And so if you think about 25 items, people, even 25 here, 25 here, and 25 here, you can see that in the top box plot, there's lots of room to be spread out. In other words, a lot of variability. But in here, 25% are in these little tiny pieces right here. I hope you can see that these sets are more squished together. And so this top one, the hard to find sets, have more variability in their prices than the not hard to find. These here are outliers, and so these are the unusually expensive sets in the not hard to find category. And in terms of shape, the top shape is pretty fairly symmetric. If you look at the graph, each of the pieces is pretty much the same. The right side looks very much like the left side. However, if you look at this graph, they're very squished together here and then become spread out. If you were to think about graphing that, very squished together and then spread out. And so this set of data would be skewed, and it would be skewed to the right.